Today we're going to be analyzing the complex food system of soybeans. First, we're going to do a quick overview of the whole process from farm to table and then talk more in depth about everything. So the soybean life cycle includes the vegetative and reproductive stages, which starts with seed germination and ends in full seed development. In the United States, which is the main producer of soybeans, the top 10 states being Illinois, Iowa, Minnesota, Indiana, Ohio, Nebraska, Missouri, North Dakota, Arkansas, and Kansas. And then other places that produce lots of soybeans include Brazil, Argentina, and China. After soybeans are harvested, they are transported and processed. Oil is extracted, which can be used in both food products and industrial products. And then the soy protein is used as well. The system connects farmers, processors, manufacturers, and consumers. So this is a very useful system which goes into many different areas. And the major uses for soybeans include livestock feed, soy foods, which include tofu and soy milk, and biodiesel. Now we're going to talk about some of the barriers faced by soybean farmers, which include several significant factors like weather extremes, especially drought, and they are also vulnerable to pests and fungal diseases. On an economic scale, farmers face uncertainty due to price swings, and this is both in local and global markets. Shifts like tariffs and export bans, which are relevant especially right now, drastically affect the profitability and demand of soybean products, and this fluctuation just really adds to the uncertainty of it all. Next, we're going to talk about sustainability in the soybean food system, which is a major focus in farming of this crop. In the United States, many growers use no-till methods and rotate crops like corn and soybeans to maintain healthy soil, but expansion in places like Brazil, which is another one of our main producers, leads to deforestation, which threatens the biodiversity and also the sustainability of the system as a whole. So in the United States, we are trying to prevent things like this, like with programs such as the United States Soy Sustainability Assurance Protocol, which just improves transparency of everything going on and reduces the environmental impact. Now we're going to go right into soybean processing and all the different ways it is used in foods. So after they are harvested, soybeans are cleaned, dehulled, and processed into food products, and these include soy milk, tofu, textured soy protein, and then just like the soybean itself and edamame. These products are all rich in high-quality protein and are beneficial for our heart health and our hormones. And for those following plant-based diets, soy protein is an essential source of amino acids, and other plant proteins may lack them, so it's a great part of a balanced diet. For some soy-based snack ideas that are both nutritious and delicious, I have 3 examples. The first one would just be roasted soy nuts, which is a crunchy, high-protein snack that takes just like the main part of the soybean, and you roast them, and then you can add like salt or spices or anything to add flavor. Similarly, we have edamame with sea salt or spices, which will really yield like a very similar flavor. And then smoothies, you can add soy milk and tofu as well for added protein, and that really just like hides the flavor of the soy, but the nutritional benefits are there. So in conclusion, soybeans are an essential player in global agriculture as they support food